In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay using Google Pay on TripAdvisor. Before we dive in, here's the key takeaway. TripAdvisor doesn't currently offer Google Pay as a checkout option on its website or app. That means you won't see a Google Pay button at the final payment screen. Instead, TripAdvisor typically accepts major credit and debit cards, like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, or PayPal for bookings made directly through their platform. So, what does that look like in practice? When you reach checkout on a TripAdvisor booking, expect to choose between entering your card details or signing in to PayPal. Sometimes, TripAdvisor will redirect you to a trusted partner to complete the reservation, such as a well-known travel agency or booking platform. If that happens, the payment methods you see depend on that partner's system. In most cases, it's still going to be credit or debit card, or PayPal, and Google Pay usually isn't offered there either. If you prefer using Google Pay, there's a simple workaround. Use the card that's already linked to your Google Pay wallet. You can manually type in the card number, expiration date, and security code at checkout, or use your browser's secure autofill if you've saved the card there. Just keep in mind, this is paying with the card itself rather than using Google Pay as a one-tap checkout option. It achieves the same result. Your linked card gets charged, but it's not the Google Pay button experience. A few tips to make the process smooth. Have your card details ready and double-check the billing name and address match what your bank has on file. Look over the total, currency, and cancellation policy before you confirm payment, especially if the booking is being processed by a partner site. If you're traveling internationally, check whether your card could incur foreign transaction fees. And if a partner site uses extra verification, like a one-time code from your bank, keep your device handy to complete that step quickly. One more scenario to know. For in-person payments at hotels, attractions, or tours, many merchants accept contactless payments. In those cases, you can use Google Pay when you arrive, if the location supports it. That's a payment at the venue itself, not a TripAdvisor feature. So consider carrying a physical card as a backup, just in case. To recap, TripAdvisor doesn't currently support Google Pay at checkout. Use a credit or debit card or PayPal, or enter the details of a card you've linked to Google Pay. That's the most reliable way to complete your booking today.